Greetings and welcome and thanks for tuning in. I'm Khaled Sabsabi and today I would like to revisit an older work made in 2011 titled Syria. The work is inspired by and influenced by arabesque pattern and design, which is based on geometry and architecture, and it has its roots in many ancient cultures and times. So the first step is really about finding an image that you would like to manipulate. As a starting point, I've chosen here two images, image 1 and image 2. What you want to look for is to look for an image that you may have a connection with or you may feel drawn to. So the first thing that you want to do is to take your original image and make a copy of that, and what you want to do is you want to flip it horizontally. I have two that are this way and two in the opposite direction, and again the same sort of principle. I would stitch those there. Now I could decide, and you could decide, I should say, where do you want the center of the image to be, whether you want it to have the black, as you can see here, being the center of the image, or you can choose to flip them the other way around and have the image where the person in the image becomes the center. A blade, a metal ruler, a pencil. The image is 6 inches by 4, so what I would need to do is put a mark at 3 inches so I know exactly where I'm cutting. You want to cut straight down. There you go, I have the 4 pieces now. So this is what we want to end up with eventually. So now you can see I've categorized the 4 pieces. So what I suggest now is to look at, keep them in order of 4 pieces for each. And for this demonstration I'll start with the first one, and I would possibly look at this configuration. This would be my 4th piece. We would need some PVA glue, a tub to put some glue. I use recycled aerosol caps, some water for cleaning, and tissue to dry your brush, and of course a brush. We would also need matting board or something to glue on. So I'll lay out my work. Having a gap between each object just really lifts it and adds to the work. So what you want to do is get enough on there, almost to the edges, not right to the edges, so you don't make a big mess, but you just want it to attach. Try to get it as level and as straight as possible. So I have the 4 pieces now done. And here we have the final product. So you can recombine the elements in more and more interesting and complex ways, depending on your ambitions. You can also cut out your images and your photographs into smaller pieces and reconstruct them back. I really like this approach because it's a way of creating something both decorative and filled with imagery. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Happy art making. Be inspired, be great, always.